Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm here in front of a lovely, smaller scale Aspidistra, one of the cast iron plants. This is Aspidistra zongbayi, green carpet. It's green, lightly flecked with paler green spots, and the whole plant is, about a foot tall, maybe eventually, 18 inches tall. The leaves, as you can see, are not stiffly upright. They come up and they're held really more horizontally. All of the Aspidistras that are winter hardy and wherever your garden, make great evergreen ground covers for shade. They're real tough plants. I think that's why they got the name cast iron. And so they wouldn't die in sun, but they would not look beautiful because the foliage get all tired looking in sun. Now this clump is looking rather shabby in parts. I think this is the result of very vigorous raking with a leaf rake to get the fallen tree leaves. I think there could have been a better way to get fallen tree leaves up other than battering the Aspidistra with a leaf rake. But, to tidy it up, you'd come in and just cut the leaves off that are unsightly. Come spring, as they're putting up new foliage, we will cut out any leaves that are not perfect, and the plant will soon replace those leaves with brand new ones. I wonder if this is blooming now. A lot of the Aspidistras bloom through the winter months, but no, I don't see them. They look very much like those little fungus, the little mushrooms we call earth stars. They open up and they look like a little star-shaped, maybe sea anemone right at ground level. The Aspidistras are propagated by division. So if you have it in your garden for a bunch of years, you can dig it up and divide it down into much smaller pieces and spread it around. But Aspidistra zongbayi, green carpet, has been here in this location since 2011. And it's a lovely presence in the garden year-round. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.